Good morning, students. Previous class we are discussed already chemical combination and chemical decomposition reaction. Now in this video we are discussing about remaining chemical reactions, chemical displacement reaction and chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical displacement. Displacement means the changing of position. Here, chemical displacement we can observe at any chemical reaction, one element is displaced by another element from its compound. Such type of reactions are called chemical displacement reactions. In chemical displacement reaction, we are observed must be reactants and products have one element and one compound. Here compound means mixture of different type of substance. Chemical displacement reaction we can express with using one simple general equation. Just to observe it. A plus BC. Here A means acting as element, BC acting as compound. If the A plus BC both are acting as a reactant, then they are forming as AC plus B. Here AC plus B also we can observe AC is a compound, B is a element. How can we are identified the formation of displacement of chemical reaction? Simple logic. Here BC is a compound. It is a mixture of B and C. Therefore A combined with C, then B will be displaced. When we are observing this general equation, A plus BC gives rise to A combined with C. Therefore, it is forming as a new substance AC plus then B will be separated. There will be separated. Therefore, simply A plus BC gives rise to AC plus B. This is the simple identification method for chemical displacement reaction. I will give some simple example for identification of displacement reaction. Just observe it. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid and form zinc chloride and hydrogen. Here hydrochloric acid, it is mixture of hydrogen and chlorine. Simply zinc hydrochloric acid HCl. Zinc is combined with chlorine, then hydrogen will be separated. Therefore, Zn plus 2HCl gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. And next one. Iron react with copper sulfate. Here copper sulfate is a compound. It is a mixture of copper and sulfate. Therefore, iron combined with sulfate, then copper will be separated. Fe plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. Next one. Plumbum, that means lead. Lead react with copper chloride. Copper chloride is a compound. It is a mixture of copper and chlorine. When we are observing the chemical displacement reaction, lead combined with chlorine, then copper will be separated. Pb plus CuCl2 gives rise to PbCl2 plus Cu. Such type of total reactions are called chemical displacement reaction. One more important word to identification of displacement reaction. At reactant side and product side, compulsory one element and one compound are present. Double displacement reaction. Displace means change its position. Double displacement means if any chemical reaction we can observe, atoms or group of atoms are exchanged from their compounds. Such type of reaction is called chemical double displacement reaction. In chemical double displacement reaction, reactant side and product side have compounds. Compound means it is a mixture of two or more different substances. Chemical double displacement reaction can express with one general equation. AB plus CD. Here AB is a compound. It is a mixture of A and B. And CD, it is a compound. It is a mixture of C and D. Both are different. Here, double displacement reaction we can observe. AB, C plus CD, A combined with D, then C combined with B. They are forming as AD plus CB. AB plus CD is reactants, then it is forming as a AD plus CB. It's our products. Then when we are observing the reactant side and product side, both have compounds. And in this reaction, generally precipitate will be formed. Precipitate means it is a insoluble solid at chemical reaction. Precipitate always expressed with using downward arrow. Now we are discussing some general example for double displacement reaction. Sodium sulfate plus barium chloride, they are forming in double displacement reaction and form as a barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Here sodium sulfate means it is a mixture of sodium and sulfate. Barium chloride, it is a mixture of barium and chlorine. Then sodium combined with chlorine, barium combined with sulfate. Therefore, it is forming as a barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Here, barium sulfate is a white color of precipitate. Precipitate expressed with downward arrow. Second one. Silver nitrate, AgNO3, sodium chloride, NaCl. Both are compounds. They are combined in double displacement reaction. Silver combined with chlorine, then sodium combined with nitrate. Therefore, AgCl plus NaCl. Here silver chloride is a precipitate. And the next one. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 taken twice. React with potassium iodide. It is a mixture of potassium and iodine. Then they are faced with double displacement reaction. Lead react with iodine, then potassium react with nitrate. They are forming as a lead iodide. It is a yellow color precipitate plus potassium nitrate. At any double displacement reaction we are observed, generally it form the precipitate. Precipitate always expressed with downward arrow. It is a insoluble solid at chemical reaction. Based on hydrogen and oxygen gas, chemical reactions we are separated as three types. One is oxidation reaction, second one is reduction reaction, third one is redox reactions, which is called oxidation reaction. At any chemical reaction, adding of oxygen or removing of hydrogen, such reactions are called oxidation reaction. Generally, oxidation reactions occur with using of oxidizing agents. Oxidation, adding of oxygen or removing of hydrogen. Based on electrons also, oxidation we are defined as loss of electrons is called oxidation. Simply remember point of view, and simple trick is LEO, loss of electrons, is called oxidation. Some simple examples. Copper react with oxygen and form copper oxide. 2Cu plus O2 gives rise to 2CuO. Magnesium react with oxygen and form magnesium oxide. 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2MgO. Carbon react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. These are simple example for oxidation reactions. Reduction reactions. Adding of hydrogen or removing of oxygen, such reactions are called reduction reactions. Reduction reaction also we are defined based on electrons. Simply, gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction both are opposite reactions. Adding of oxygen, otherwise removing of hydrogen is called oxidation. Adding of hydrogen or removing of oxygen is called reduction reaction. Reduction can express a simple trick is GER based on electrons. Gain of electrons is called reduction. Copper oxide react with hydrogen and form copper and water. CuO plus H2 gives rise to Cu plus H2O. Nitrogen react with hydrogen and form ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Reduction reaction also occur with using of reducing agent. Redox reactions. Redox reactions also called oxidation reduction reaction. Redox reactions means at any chemical reaction both oxidation and reduction process are present. Such reactions are called redox reactions. Zinc oxide react with carbon and form zinc and carbon monoxide. Here, zinc oxide, they have oxygen. Then it is involved with carbon, they are turned as a zinc. That means it lost the oxygen. Loss of oxidation is called reduction. In the same way, carbon, they are forming as a carbon monoxide. It means carbon is gained the oxygen. Therefore, it is belongs to oxidation. In this reaction, both oxidation and reduction reactions are present. Such why this reaction is belongs to redox reactions. ZnO plus C gives rise to Zn plus CO. Another example. Copper oxide react with hydrogen and turn as a copper and water. Here, copper oxide then change as a copper. It means it lost oxygen. That's why it is called reduction. In the same way, hydrogen, they are turned as a water. Here hydrogen is gain oxygen. It is called oxidation. In this reaction also, both oxidation and reduction reactions are present. That's why this reaction is simple example for redox reactions. CuO plus H2 gives rise to Cu plus H2O.